Welcome to the Artisan Baker's quest for the perfect crumb, a journey into the heart of bread making where mastery, technique, and passion converge. In this presentation, we'll explore the subtle art of crumb development, the interior structure of bread that defines its texture, flavor, and soul. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just beginning your journey, understanding the crumb is key to elevating your craft and expressing your unique baking identity. Section 1. The crumb. Why it matters. The crumb is more than just the inside of a loaf. It's the fingerprint of the baker's technique, the silent storyteller of fermentation, shaping, and heat. A well-developed crumb enhances chewiness and moisture, making each bite satisfying and fresh. It also plays a vital role in how flavors are released and perceived, enriching the sensory experience. From aroma to mouthfeel, the crumb is central to artisan bread quality. The ideal crumb is open yet structured, with evenly distributed air pockets that balance softness and resilience. It reflects skilled craftsmanship and invites admiration not only for its taste, but for its visual beauty. Section 2. Ingredients that shape the crumb. Let's begin with flour. Its protein content determines gluten strength, which in turn affects dough elasticity and crumb texture. High-protein flours build strong doughs ideal for bread, while low-protein flours suit delicate pastries. The grind and origin of the flour also influence flavor and openness, details that artisan bakers carefully select. Water, salt, and fermentation form the backbone of crumb development. Hydration levels affect softness and airiness. Salt regulates yeast activity and enhances flavor. And fermentation, especially when slow and controlled, builds complexity and structure. Natural leavening agents like sourdough starters contribute rich, layered flavors and promote gradual fermentation. This slow rise encourages a distinct, airy crumb that sets artisan bread apart. Section 3. Techniques for crumb perfection. Technique transforms ingredients into artistry. Mixing and kneading develop gluten networks that trap air. Gentle folding or intensive kneading. Each method serves a purpose depending on the desired crumb texture. Proofing allows the dough to rise, expanding its volume and deepening its flavor. Shaping defines the loaf's final form, while scoring guides oven spring and crust expansion. Baking is where transformation peaks. Time and temperature control moisture and crust formation. Steam injection helps retain crumb moisture and enhances crust texture. And baking stones provide even heat, supporting both crust and internal structure. Section 4. Troubleshooting and adaptation. Even experienced bakers face challenges. A gummy crumb often results from underfermentation or excess moisture. Tight texture may stem from overmixing or insufficient fermentation. Uneven holes, likely poor handling or inconsistent proofing. Environmental factors like humidity and temperature require adjustments in formulas and timing. Ingredient quality can vary, demanding flexibility and technique to maintain consistency. Each baking attempt offers insight. Reflecting on outcomes and documenting processes helps refine your craft, and continuous experimentation is the path to crumb mastery. Section 5. The Baker's Journey. Artisan baking is a lifelong pursuit. Skill refinement comes through practice and curiosity. Trying new methods leads to innovation in texture and flavor. Study and repetition build expertise. But baking is more than technique, it's expression. Craftsmanship connects us to tradition. Artistic shaping and flavor choices reflect individuality. And sharing bread fosters community, strengthening bonds through food. Perfection, however, is not fixed. It's subjective, shaped by experience and evolving taste. Exposure to diverse breads expands our vision of what a perfect loaf can be. Conclusion. The quest for the perfect crumb begins with understanding ingredients and mastering technique. It continues through challenges, adaptation, and reflection. And it culminates in personal growth, where bread becomes more than food. It becomes a craft, a connection, and a reward. Thank you for joining this journey. May your next loaf rise with purpose and your crumbs speak of passion.